What are you doing?
I'm trying to get everybody to get my money.
Are they open?
Bro, I gotta get my money out of here.
It's not 9 o'clock yet, you bonehead. What?
Not a bonehead.
I said bonehead.
Not a bonehead.
Yes, you are, because they're not even open yet.
Get here. Come on.
What are you gonna do?
Come on.
What are you gonna do?
One on one.
You wanna get your money, or you wanna go to jail? You wanna fight? Do you wanna fight? Is that what you're doing?
So earlier this year in January, an elderly man, obviously confused, showed up at a PNC bank with the Bank of America card. He thought he was at the right bank, but obviously he was not. But because he was confused, he was beat up by the cops. I'll explain later.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get everybody to get my money.
Are they open?
It's 9 o'clock yet.
Man, don't. Hey, code 4. He's just trying to go into the bank to get his money, but it seems to be not open. Okay, if they're not open, don't bang on the door.
What time is it?
I don't care. You don't bang on the bank door. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Are you guys open? What time is it? Now it's 9 o'clock, but it wasn't 9 o'clock before. So you're banging on it for no reason. They're not open yet. Give them a chance. Why? Because they're not open yet and you came here early?
Bro, I gotta get my money out of here.
It's not 9 o'clock yet, you bonehead. What?
Not a bonehead.
I said bonehead.
Not a bonehead.
Yes, you are, because they're not even open yet.
Get here. Come on.
Now, this is the start of things. We have to admit that this is very important. So the cop starts off calling this guy a bonehead, and then the guy responds and calls the cop a skinhead. And because of his response, the cop starts walking toward him. And so the man postures himself as, hey, I'll defend myself, which he has the right to do, because at this point, the cop is not detaining him. He's not placing him under arrest. So you don't have the right to just walk up to him aggressively after already calling him names. So naturally, most people will, I think you're about to attack me. And for the cop, that's illegal to do.
What are you gonna do?
Come on.
What are you gonna do?
One on one.
You wanna get your money, or you wanna go to jail? Your choice.
It's mine.
You wanna get your money?
Yes, I do.
Okay, go get your money.
He doesn't have an account here.
Do you have an account here?
Yes, I do. Print my card out, ma'am.
Where's your debit card? You have your debit card?
Yes.
That's Bank of America.
I know, but it's the only one I got right now.
Okay, you don't have an account with PNC Bank. is
I
what-
do.
Don't get loud. Don't. You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Because I'll fight you right now, and I'll take you to the hospital, and I'll take you to jail.
And here we see again, the cop is aggressively threatening to beat the guy up and take him to the hospital, then take him to jail. And the guy is only posturing himself as, hey, don't walk up to me. I'm going to defend myself. Again, which he has the right to do. He's not detained. He's not under arrest. Okay. Now, once you start telling him to leave and he doesn't leave, you can trespass him and arrest him if he doesn't leave. But all the extra things that the cop is doing and saying is not really called for here.
What do you want? West Farm, just send me 1101. Huh? Because you standing up to me like this, I'll knock you the out. Huh? Get out now.
Well, I'm looking for my money, man.
You don't bank here. That's Bank of America. This is not Bank of America.
This money here.
It doesn't matter. You can't get money out here. That's not the proper bank.
Well, what am I gonna do about this back here?
You got to go to Bank of America.
Well, where is it located?
You got down the street.
So, my money's should be on this card.
If You go to Bank of America. Yeah, 10-4. So get your card.
So y'all just around my PNC bank card.
Get your stuff and get out of the bank.
Put me a bank card, ma'am.
You don't have an account, so we can't print you out a card if you don't have an account.
What you mean I have an account?
I'm not going to tell you again. I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
Man,
Come on. You want to fight? Do you want to fight? Is that what you're doing?
So the cop really wants to fight. It's obvious at this point. Now, what I want you to pay attention to is when the cop is asking him if he wants to fight, really quickly, you see his hands do this and he's saying, nah, as in to say no. But before he can get it out, well, this happens.
You want to fight? Do you want to fight? Is that what you're doing? Is that what you're doing? You kidding me? Are you kidding me? Get your down. Put your hands behind your back. Man, get your hands behind me, man.
So before there ever was a you're under arrest or you're detained, there was a push. There was an attack. He wasn't detained. He wasn't arrested. The cop was asking him if he wanted to fight. Not put your hands behind your back, not get out of the building, not you're under arrest, but do you want to fight? And because of that, in my opinion, this is an assault. This is battery. He's trying to fight this guy, and he's clearly been trying to fight this old, confused man since he arrived on scene.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. I'm telling you right now.
You win.
Put your hands behind your back now. You keep standing up to me, or posing like you want to fight. Put your hands behind your back now.
You win, boy.
First, Bob, just send me the unit.
You win,
I'm gonna
boy.
fight with him.
You win, boy.
I'm on my way.
Put your other hand behind your back.
I'm gonna you up, lady. But you my mother up.
Shut up. She didn't do nothing to you. Shut up. She didn't do nothing to you.
And now, even if it's a slight tap, he turns and hits the old guy in the back of his head. I don't care if it was a tap or slightly tap, because if the roles were reversed and the old guy tapped the cop in the back of the head, well, we know what would happen at that point.
She didn't do nothing to you. You're at the wrong bank. Get up. Stand him up. Stand up. All the way up. Stand up. You can lift traffic.
10-4.
My head up, man.
You relax.
10-30.
Yeah, don't worry about your hat right now. I'll be here first. Huh? What you said? Nothing.
Block of village.
912.
00.
I was a good one. One-on-one. No, boy, that's good, Charlie. Down.
All the way in. Slide all the way in. I still gotta search all of it.
You mind taking a sworn statement as a witness as to what you saw?
Yeah,
Okay, can you raise your right hand for me? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down. What's your full name? Do you have an ID on you?
Like a driver's license?
Yes.
Well, I mean, so the guy was he was aggressive, right? I don't know that he was. I don't know that he, I don't know, had even the strength to fight or whatever the case, but you know, he was aggressive with his mouth and his tone. So,
Okay.
And the officer told him, you need to relax. This is not the bank. So he continued the banter back and forth with the officer. At that point, they were like squaring off, and I decided to walk to the back to call, you know, to just, I don't know what would have happened at that
Okay.
moment.
So where was this incident occurring at?
Right here.
Right here.
Yep.
Okay. So the gentleman came in. First, you guys had called because he was banging on the doors. Is that correct?
He was aggressively banging on the door, pulling at the door, and I told him we open at 9. We open at 9. What time is it? It's 8:45. It started at 8:45.
Okay.
I was like, we open at 9. So he relaxed. Went back over, continued my team meeting with the team. 8:48, he started with the same pulling on the door, yelling, aggressive. I was like, didn't we just have a conversation? We open at 9.
Yeah.
So I told him as soon as 9 o'clock, so the girls were like, you know what? Maybe we should just call the cops. We should,
Yeah.
because he doesn't have an accountant here. He's been here before, but I've never seen him this aggressive.
Okay.
And I think he's confused, honestly, because he pulled out a Bank of America debit card.
Okay.
Oh, boy, though, yeah. You saw about my hand, boy. Ah, boy, y'all can't hold for trying to get that money, man. We know it, though.
Does he have any physical injuries on his face?
Y'all not gonna hurt, man.
Hey, man.
Yeah,
Do you have any physical? No. Leave your feet in the car.
yeah, I got my whole side of my window turned, man.
The whole side of what?
My neck.
Your neck?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we're going to document your physical condition shortly, okay?
You can't see anything, right?
Yeah. I don't see anything.
But I really like that. I was gonna fight.
We're going to see Mary. We're going to see Mary.
Where at?
Go down.
He says his neck.
In my neck. I got it.
There's nothing physical.
Y'all didn't do it, baby. Y'all didn't do it.
So the elderly man was arrested for obstruction. This guy is clearly confused. He's at PNC Bank. He doesn't know which bank he's at. As a paramedic, these are like some questions that you would ask a patient to see if they're confused or not. Hey, do you know what today is? Do you know who the president is? Do you know where you are right now? And that will determine if this person is, confused or maybe even dealing with some type of mental issue, something going on. But in policing, you get beat up. He's clearly confused. And the workers at the bank, I don't think they were calling the police to come and beat the guy up. Even she stated, the lady who works there, that this guy did not look like he possessed the strength to even fight the cop back. Yes, he postured himself, but he only did so after he felt the cop was about to attack him, which ultimately that's what ended up happening. But this is the West Palm Beach Police Department located in the state of Florida. I guess that was obvious. Gonna keep my eyes on this one to see if I can find a follow-up to see what happened. Again, he was arrested for obstruction. I don't know the outcome of that charge, if it's been held up or if it was dismissed. I don't know yet, but I will be looking out for it. But again, this is policing in America. This is what we have to deal with each and every day. Make sure you know your rights, stay safe, protect yourself. With that being said, we the people, you, signing off.